I think the biggest misconception about solar is the upfront initial cost, as well as putting holes in your roof. I think that's a big one, and we take a lot of heat about putting holes in our roof from office colleagues and
my dad.
our family. Yes, you're gonna have a leaky roof, your trusses are not meant to hold those panels. All of these are misconceptions, and we've never ever had a problem with it. I think the initial concern of the monetary upfront cost was offset easily by all the tax credits that we were able to obtain in that same year. And
like I said, I watched the installation and seeing how it was installed on the roof and everything that was done to ensure that it doesn't cause a roof leak. I did note that I was able to see that that was not a problem.